Welcome to your midweek power surge, the quick boost you need to refuel, refocus, and lead with confidence. Leadership isn't just about the title, it's about the impact you make every single day. Whether you're stepping into a leadership role, still in the classroom but preparing for a move into leadership, or already leading your team, these short episodes are designed to keep you empowered, encouraged, and equipped for the journey. And the truth is, empowered leaders empower others. And that starts with showing up with clarity, purpose, and passion. So let's tap into the power within you, the calling God has placed on your heart, and the leadership you're meant to walk in. This is your weekly power surge. Let's go. Happy Wednesday, empowered leaders. This is your midweek power surge. And I'm your host, Dr. Mel. Empowered leaders create clarity where there used to be confusion. If you lead a school or a team or an organization, confusion will always try to show up. It will always try to take over. Confusion in expectations, confusion in communication, confusion in priorities. But empowered leadership is about turning that chaos into clarity. Clarity starts with you. Before your team can be clear, you have to be clear. You have to be clear about the mission. You have to be clear about your priorities. You have to be clear about what success actually looks like. When you're unsure, your team, they're just going to start guessing. And probably they're not going to guess the way your mental model is set up. And when people start guessing, guess what happens? I'm going to let you guess. Systems start breaking down. So your first responsibility as a leader is to ask yourself, what actually matters most right now? What are the top priorities? What does winning look like for our team? Because when you get clear internally, you can lead much more clearly externally. Clarity removes anxiety. Most people don't struggle because they lack ability. They struggle because they lack clarity. People want to know, what exactly is it that I'm responsible for? What are my deliverables? And how do I know if I'm doing well? Empowered leaders remove that uncertainty. You clarify those expectations. You clarify the systems. You clarify the standards. You clarify who owns what job. And when you know what the target is, when your people know what the target is, you can actually hit that target. Clarity also creates alignment. Clarity is what gets everybody moving in the same direction. Without clarity, people create their own priorities. Teams move in different directions. And energy gets wasted because people are doing the wrong things or they're doing the right things in the wrong way. But when you as the leader create clarity, suddenly your instruction aligns, your systems align, your people align. And now your whole entire building is moving forward together. And guys, I'm going to tell you that clarity, it's an act of service to your people. Creating clarity isn't control, it's leadership. When you clarify the vision, when you clarify the priorities, when you clarify the path forward, you are serving the people that you lead. You are removing obstacles so that they can focus on the work that matters and they can be successful. So I want you to remember this today. Empowered leaders create clarity where confusion once lived. You bring the vision. You bring the focus. You bring the direction. And when you do, your team, your teachers, they are able to stop guessing and they're able to start moving. And then your entire building becomes stronger because you chose to lead with clarity instead of confusion. This has been your midweek power surge. It's exactly what you need to keep leading with confidence. Remember, empowered leaders empower others, and that starts with you. Keep showing up, keep growing, and keep making an impact.